Local news for Friday the 22nd of November. An invitation for water users to contribute to the Wakamoka Community Water Storage Scheme signals a significant momentum shift in the development of the project. The company already has government support to develop the project through the Provincial Growth Fund. It's the first time in nearly 20 years of water storage investigations in Wairarapa that direct beneficiaries are being asked to make a financial contribution to. A busier October for real estate agents, with prices well up year on year and increased activity last month, while a shortage of stock is still an issue. Carterton had 30 property sales, South Wairarapa 25 and Masterton 53. And motorists are being reminded the Rumataka Hill will be closed overnight for maintenance next week. The closures are in place from 9 p.m. to 4 a.m, Sunday to Friday, and also 5 consecutive nighttime closures are scheduled for January next year and more planned for May. And in sport, good luck to the Hallmark Homes Wairarapa men's cricket side, taking off Wanganui at Nelson Park this weekend. The side's still searching for a win after rain interrupted play last week. Kia ora, for local news and sport, I'm Brent Gare.